I'm Renee Hughes. I'm a certified professional holistic aromatherapist and teacher. So you're in a really great place if you love aromatherapy, and I want to welcome you to the 7-day emotional cleanse. So if you have found this page and you stopped here, you may be thinking, man, I'd love to have a little bit of cleansing emotionally. And so what I want to ask you is why? Like what it would be your ideal goal statement to finish out 7 days of emotional cleansing? What I want you to know is that I've tested this 7-day cleanse and we've seen it get results even as short as 1 day. We've seen individuals have shifts, cognitive shifts. And so it's really exciting to have you swing by here and take a look at what we've got going on. And we hope you decide to dive into the 7-day cleanse. You know, emotions are a funny thing. Sometimes we feel something and we think, I know exactly where that's coming from. I understand my anger, my frustration, the tears, the loneliness, whatever that feeling is. Sometimes we can name it, right? And then sometimes we have no idea. What's interesting is even during those times when we think, I know exactly what that's about, it could be layers of other stuff under there. And so, what this cleanse is going to help you to begin to transition and transform, releasing the negative stuff and nourishing the positive stuff. That's what this entire cleanse is about. And so, what I want to let you know too is that you don't have to worry about having to purchase a whole lot of stuff to have this to be successful in this cleanse. If you're an essential oils user, I'm willing to bet that most of the oils that I'm going to talk to you about in the cleanse you have right there in your home. You may not have every single thing that we mentioned, but the majority of the items you should have. As a bonus, also, I'm adding a video to the bottom of your modules that will show you how to replace some of the oils. So say you don't have some of the ones that we request in the cleanse, I'll give you some alternatives, or maybe you just don't like the ones that we have. So you don't need to worry about purchasing a lot of stuff, okay? You may not need to purchase anything at all. A lot of what you're going to do in this cleanse, you have right there at home. It's going to be your own mind that you're going to be working with. You're going to be journaling. You're going to use a diffuser, an inhaler. There's a massage blend that we'll make together. You are going to be incorporating deep breathing techniques and what I call aroma tapping. And so we're going to do all of that, this holistic approach to cleansing emotionally. And you're also going to get a little bit of physical cleansing. So there's going to be a really holistic approach. It's 7 days of awesomeness to help you to begin an amazing transformation. And I can't wait to see what happens in the 7 days. I can't wait to see what happens in your first day. Please let us know how it goes for you and welcome. Bye.